I would have say majority of we, if anybody, while growing up in Jamaica, we don't know nothing about racism. When me say we don't know, we don't experience it. Cause as the matter say, out of many one people. We grew up around all different kind of race of people. You see me I say, and only on TV we see and when we watch American news and see what go on in America and in place. At them time that we really see where black people are go through in terms of racial, discrimination and prejudice. You see me? But when we left Jamaica and we go outside in the wider world, them time they know, at that time we eyes get open because we start go amongst other people where I look upon we different and we're not used to that. Because in Jamaica, as me say, we grew up around every race. Every race they are Jamaica. You see me? And me I tell you say when they come America and remember this experience where me I go for get my driver's license in and mash up the test and everything, pass the test and everything. So a time now if we go do the driving exam. You see me? So go there now, go in my car, the lady come on, have a little clipboard with her notes and something or whatever. So tell me, you greet me nice and everything, you see me? And I say, oh, I see you from Jamaica. Jamaica is nice and all these things. And I say, yeah, man, friendly conversation, being polite. Go in her car now and drive out. She tell me, say, all right, do the basics, them 3-point turn, me do that, mash it up, say, drive down this and stop without the, hear the tire them a squeak. So when we reach the point now where we reverse, me I say, yo, me I drive from me a 14, 15-year old. You see me I say we there at Jamaica and I take away all my cousin car and my uncle car and then sit there. When they give me car to go wash, we drive, me and my cousin drive gone all about. And I stick me learn to drive off. You see me I say, so me I say, how about this? You know what I mean? This a joke. Can mash up this. And the people them where they are yard and the people them where know how Jamaican driving set up. Majority I road them are just 2 lane. Go and come. You see me? And when we there yard, we know say if you drive go one direction and if you stop and you want to reverse, you go so boom say reverse on the other side. Where you nah go against the traffic where I come behind you. Tell me in the comments if I lie, me I tell. At Jamaica, how we reverse is when you go so boom see if I one long reverse you go make, you go on the other side, the opposite side, away they depend to go with the flow of traffic. You see me I say, so me go so boom see and she say, I'm say, alright, mash up this now. Do me they hold on pan seat and look round and everything and because a boom see cause she carry one back road where just 2 lane. You see me? So me say alright, this is just like Jamaica. So me just go so boom. Go on the other side. You see me go on the other side and start reverse. All me here. Where? Where? The woman, I don't know, a little angle thing over upon the passenger side door. Woman hold on upon that. And they pan, start the car! Stop the car! Stop the car! And me stop. And woman I say, oh my God! Take me back to the DMV! Back to the DMV! And me I say, what happened? What happened? Me get frightened, me I say, what go on? Because me I say, yo, me I do everything right. You see me I say? The woman say, I don't know how you drive in Jamaica, but this is America. This is America, and we have roads. I know in Jamaica you don't have any roads, and you have dirt road and carts. But you have to go back to Jamaica because we don't drive in America like this. Go back to your country. I know you don't have any roads, and you have goat and donkey on the road, so you can't drive properly. So go back to your country. Me say it's like, to be honest with you, me didn't even know how to me didn't even know how to receive or process everything where the woman I say. Cause me I say, hold on there. So me just kind of freeze up. Cause the first time me I really experience something like this, you see me I say, you see me, and she just rinse it off, you know, and I say a hut Jamaicans live in and a bush with no car, and a bush, a mud road with no road, and a donkey cart, and that's why me don't know if to reverse. You see me I say, like some like in the Amazon jungle, Jamaica, there you see me I say we not have no form of civilization. And basically, me say all we left the woman tell me say, go back to your yard, you dirty black and ugly nigger. That's all that left for the woman tell me say. You see me, I say me just freeze up and me don't know how to process the thing. You see me I say, I know say all of them things they were she rinse off, you know, are more of a xenophobic kind of abuse, you know, a more xenophobia, cause you know, a island me come from, so I must bush and no proper, you know, civilization no evolve or, you know, we not no road, we not no house. You see me say it's a more xenophobic kind of abuse. But as me I say, only thing left with the woman say, are you dirty black nigga guy your yard, go back to your country. That's the only thing we left with the woman say. You see me? I mean, know she just not say that because she know she probably lose her job. You see me? And she said, go on back to the DMV, back to the DMV, back to... Me surprised she even make me drive her go back to the DMV to where she go on. And the whole time I saw the woman just hold on and sit in her drive. Whole time after the whole drive, it was about a 10 minutes drive go back there. I saw the woman just tell me, oh, Jamaica backwards, and that's why I can't drive. You see me, and this is America. America different. And America not stay like Jamaica, so I have to go back to my country. You see me? And I say, it was a shock to my system. And when I reach back at the place, she jump out of the car, and so I say, me feel it. So she gone back and she go in at the place, and the person will bring me, when I go with, I go to them and they see say me kind of in a shock, and I say, boy, I really know what I just know, you know. And I tell them what happened. And they say to me, say, boy, yo, you know, so you just get one of the racist man. You see me, cause that no call for, yo, it's a racial abuse that you just experience. You see me, I say, racial abuse. You know, as me say, because I'm not used to that. Me grew up in Jamaica, I don't know how that feel. You see me, but me not lie, you see, after everything sinking, you know, after that is just like a rage. You just get angry. You get angry because it's like, you see the shock wear off now, it's like a anger coming in and you say, Jano Star, I want to the woman, man, like you just get wicked. You see me, I say, and then the person see me, I get angry, and him I say to me, say, yo, cause me I say, me I go back in the DMV and now enough to go race her up and sit in on the person. Hold me and I tell me, say, yo, no, you can't do that. America, this, you know, you can't do that, you can't do that. Me I say, yo, but what them something where she deal with me and whatever, you see me, and him I say, no, man, America, this, you can't do that, man. You have to hold it, you see me? So, that was like my initiation in the American xenophobic and racist culture and them system and how them discriminate against foreigners immigrants and people where them can say minorities. So that was my initiation in that. You see me, and me I tell you, it feel away. Your system get shocked, affect you wicked. You see me, I say because me I tell you for all couple about all a month and change that me still just a process the thing and me I say yo, me can't believe say yo, woman say all of them thing there to me. And then you know, as me say being that me no know all them thing there, me never feel them something before, you know, me just I do more research on xenophobia and I pray them thing and I say wow. You see me, because when you're in a Jamaica, you know really, somebody tell you about xenophobia and you say what? You see me, because you never go outside of Jamaica before to experience it. You see me, I say, and it's so funny when foreigners come to Jamaica, it's like we treat them with so much love. You see me, I say, but when we go outside, you see me, but not everybody. And everybody, because some people when you go love Jamaicans, but I guess on that day they may just happen to meet one of the real nasty one them. You see me I say? And I can remember even when I go back to go do my license again. Man, me go there one next person. I say, yo, make sure say another woman there, you know. I say me a big God, I say, me not trust me, kinda want it to be she, you know, for then, you know. So when me did never get to say the last time when she dogged me up. But then just humble myself and me tell the person. And the person where do the test with me was a Jamaican too, and she had tell me say, yo, you should have report it and thing, you see me? I say, and cause that not right. You see me? So but I may experience that a little sprinkle of racism with when me there other jobs in America and thing, you see me? But that was the wickedest one for me. You see me? I say so. I know other people out there have worse experiences than this. You know, my brethren, when me and him do a show up on the channel too, I mean, him get racial abuse by police officer and physical abuse by police officer. You see me, I say, so, I know other experiences out there were wicked than that. And, you know, if you have any experiences similar to that or whatever you want to share, just drop it in the comments. You see me? And make we know what go on. You see me, I say, because we left have to come to a better opportunity, but unfortunately the country have a very strong racism culture and undertone. You see me, I say, where we just have to just be mindful of that. You see me, I say, so that me share the people them that experiences. So bless up on yourself and until the next video. Bless.